We'll guide you through how to bulk delete Gmail emails quickly and easily. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail's website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll see your inbox with all your emails. To start deleting in bulk, look at the left-hand side where your labels are listed. Click on the label or folder where you want to delete emails. It might be your primary inbox, promotions, or any custom label you've set up. Now, at the top of the email list, there's a small checkbox next to the refresh button. Click on this checkbox to select all emails currently visible on the page. You should see a message appear at the top that says something like, "All 50 conversations on this page are selected." Next to it, there will be a link that says, "Select all conversations in your folder name." Click that link to select every email in that folder. Once everything is selected, go to the trash icon at the top of the page and click it. Gmail will ask you to confirm if you want to move all selected emails to the trash. Confirm by clicking OK or Delete in the pop-up window. The emails you selected will now be moved to the trash. Remember that items in the trash will be automatically deleted after 30 days, but if you want to free up space immediately, go to the trash folder and click Empty Trash Now at the top. There you have it, a quick way to bulk delete emails in Gmail. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.